Hello, welcome back to my channel, and this is my beautiful face for today. Just unsubscribe. I'm giving you permission to unsubscribe because of my face looks absolutely horrendous and I'm ashamed of myself. For today's video I've got a full face using my mother's makeup, and to be honest it's not the prettiest scene. Like, what's she doing with this foundation bottle? Like, look at this. It's literally like, I swear I can do makeup. I'll leave my Instagram handles down below so you can go check it out. Just so I can prove that I can do makeup. I really do hope you enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, you should just see my mom's makeup bag. So this is what we're working with right now. We have this bag here, and we also have this makeup bag here. I swear to God, I think I wear this t-shirt in like every video, but I swear it's clean. I do wear loads of different t-shirts, but I actually can't get away with wearing loads of colourful clothes because of my background. I like it to all look somewhat similar. I'm playing her really nice in the background. If you don't watch her, she's really cool. She's like, oh, I don't know, she's just really different. This is a story time that she's doing, so this is just going to be an absolute hot mess. So she has brushes, at least, and for a primer, I suppose I'm just going to have to like use a primer that she has here. She's got the Bare Minerals Prime Time Original. My mom is a huge fan of Bare Minerals. Sorry if you can hear shuffling in the background. My sister is currently over there. And she has this Hydra Beauty Micro Serum by Chanel. It's like a tester, so I'm going to use this in my T-zone. My mom doesn't have like concealer or anything. Like, she doesn't use concealer, so like this is going to stress me out so much. But this is a silicone primer, and I personally don't really like this primer, but we're just gonna go for it. Oh my god, my hair is so bad. I've never ever came on camera without it done. Anyway, I'm gonna look somewhat okay at the end. This is just me naturally, like I literally just sat down to record this video. So I'm just gonna take this serum, whatever is left of it, and just pop it on the outer perimeters of my face. Ooh, that's nice. That actually smells quite nice. Anyway, so I use that. She has a tiny bit left, and I use a little bit of the Bare Minerals Prime Time. So usually I would do my eyebrows first, but I actually don't think my mom has eyebrow stuff. Oh.
Ew. Okay, I'm putting this on my face, but it's my mom. It's okay.
To be honest, she kind of has an excuse. She only had a baby the other day, so she hasn't really had time to clean her makeup. Okay, she has this Catrice Cosmetics eyebrow set, so I suppose that is way too dark for me. But yeah, I bought her loads of new makeup for Christmas. I'm going to be taking the Catrice Cosmetics eyebrow set, even though a lot of you are probably like, ew, like, oh my god, that's disgusting, but it's my mother. Like, seriously, come on, it's my mom. For my eyebrows, she has no brow gel.
And I love brow gel.
But I feel like when my mom was young, like, washing your makeup brushes wasn't really a thing. It's all only starting to come out now, like the hygiene behind makeup products. Like, not saying that my mom is old or anything, like, she's not. She's only like 36, and like, she loves makeup, but now that she has loads of kids, when you have loads of kids, I suppose that kind of goes down the drain, having a good few hours to do your makeup. My mom is a hairdresser, so she's more into her hair than like she would be makeup. And she has me then as well, so she literally just uses my makeup. So like, you know, this actually isn't bad brow powder, to be honest. So I just went in lightly because this is completely my wrong shade. Like, this is like black nearly, so yeah. So I suppose the next product then I'm going to go in with is foundation. My mom recently dropped her foundation bottle, so she decided to literally like, look at this. It's completely stuck to the bottle because she decided to stick it to the foundation bottle to stop it from leaking because she dropped it. So this is the Chanel Le Tint Ultra Tenue Tint Fluid. Yeah, something like that anyway. So we're gonna, this is gonna be way too dark for me. Like, I'm nearly porcelain white, and I'm pretty sure this is like their third darkest shade. The foundation brush she uses is completely the wrong brush, but it's by Bare Minerals again. It's their Kabuki Blending Seamless Blending Brush. Oh my god, this is going to be, I'm going to be orange. Gets away with it. Oh my god, are you serious? Like, how am I going to make this work? To be honest, I don't even think this is actually her exact shade. She just puts it on. This brush actually isn't bad, but like, I feel like I'm rubbing dirt on my face as well. Oh my god, I don't even think she has powder to set her face. No, this is a joke. Like, what? She's definitely no way this dark. Like, no Irish person is this dark. Oh, this foundation is actually horrible. I hate this foundation. Oh yeah, okay. So I've been downstairs and I actually just had my dinner. I had something to eat and I can feel this foundation sticking on my face. Like, do you see that? It's literally sticking to my face, and I've been trying to blend it and it's so patchy up here. I don't know what the hell she's doing, and this is not her shade, so she literally goes around not giving a crap with literally a foundation that's 5 shades darker than her actual skin tone. The Bare Minerals Invisible Bronze. I actually really like this product, but I only have this brush, like, and I'm not allowed to use any of my other brushes, so I guess this brush is just gonna have to do for bronzer and highlighter and just everything. So I'm just gonna bronze up the face. I have a blush here in this Bare Minerals palette, which is actually what I got her for Christmas, so it's actually a pretty nice sleek packaging, and then it has like these little 2 blushes and a highlighter. So oh my god, this brush is literally foundation all in it. Ew. Okay, I'm gonna take that blush. It's the only blush we have. That's really pretty. I do actually have loads of the Bare Minerals blushes, like the single ones, and I really like them. This brush has foundation in it and it's a natural hair bristle, so I'm gonna look like a caked mess. Okay, I'm going to take this Flawless Radiance, it's called, or something. Highlighting powder. Here, it's going to be way too light for this foundation colour, but it's all I have got, so this is all she uses. Okay, that literally looks like ashy and grey as f. She has this eyeshadow brush that I gave her, and also this one. She loves the double-ended ones because they're real easy to use and they're like just there, you know. And then she has this one. This is the MAC 275. So we're going to be using this palette again because this has actually eyeshadows in it. So this is all she uses for her eyeshadows. She likes real simple, like, put together palettes. It's called Wheat in the palette. Ooh, they have a real kickback. And I'm going to apply this all over the lid. Okay, this eyeshadow is like not, like, she definitely has black or something on this brush. Yeah, my eyebrows don't look too bad though. Like, honestly, they don't look bad. This, I'm going to also blend this underneath my lower lash line. Even though I have dark circles under my eyes because she has no concealer. So this is just like literally just adding more darkness under my eyes. Urku. And I'm just going to highlight my brow bone, even though it's white under there anyway. I'm going to then take this colour called Tan Lines. I'm going to take my finger and just apply it. I'm going to take Foreshadow. It's like the darkest colour in the palette. This palette is actually really nice. As I said, like, I got this for her and she really likes it. She likes it because it has everything in kind of like one palette. So that's basically the only look that you can create with it, but this is what she does normally anyway. She literally just wants to kind of create like this soft look. Nothing too intense. This is the Bare Minerals liquid lipstick in the shade Boss. And Bare Minerals lip glosses and liquid lipsticks are actually amazing. So this came in a kit with that and a mascara as well. So I got this for her for Christmas. Ooh. Oh my god, you know what this smells like? It smells like cookie dough. This literally smells like Ben & Jerry's cookie dough ice cream. She's got the Inglot number 77 gel liner because I actually made her go out and get this because it's amazing. Like, whoever doesn't use this, you need to use this in your life right now because it is such a good gel liner.
Fuck. Okay.
Like, she loves the look of just that. Like, honestly, but it does really suit my mom's eyes because if you saw my mom's eyes in person, she's got like amazing blue eyes, like, oh, turquoise blue eyes. Obviously I have brown eyes, so this just makes my eyes look smaller. So yes. So this is my product and I'm just going to use this, and it's so hygienic and clean. Yay. So I'm just going to go in with this Young Blood. I can't even read it because it's covered in foundation, because she broke her foundation bottle and it's all over the place and it's all in her bag and her brushes. But being a mommy, you don't really get time to clean your makeup. We're just gonna kind of do something a bit messy here.
What are you doing, Mario? What's wrong? Mario, what's wrong?
So I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more challenge videos like this one, all you have to do is just let me know down below in the comment section, or you can text me on all my social media handles, which will be listed down in the description box below. Also, I'll have how you can book a makeup appointment with me if you're from my area. Will be all down below as well. And yeah, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, I will see you soon.
Kill me now. I actually feel like doing proper makeup.